Hey guys, Malinda Williams here, coming to you from my little powder room. So more than a few of you have asked for more of my ManeTaming hair tutorials. Ask and you shall receive. But let me just say this. Filming these tutorials and demos and reviews is definitely not easy. And most times it's a full-on production. So shout out to all those divas who are doing it. I also recently started my own business, She's Got a Habit. So my life is very full right now, which begs the question, how do I run my life, run my business, run my home, and not run myself into the ground? Not to mention produce a movie, star in a movie, commune with my sisters, build my community, consume a good word, and look good doing it all? Check out my new video series, ManeTaming and More, for all the video tutorials you love and so much more. And before you go, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to be the first to know. Enjoy. Thanks again.